Apple's AirPods Pro 3 were absolutely the biggest earbuds of 2025, figuratively because they are nice and small as it happens. They're still ice white only, and they still prefer an iPhone, iPad or MacBook over an Android device any day of the week if you want the full suite of features, but they are improved in a large number of ways over their predecessors. The lowdown on them is this. iPhone owners who value great, shut-out-the-world noise cancellation should absolutely go for this set of earbuds. For noise stopping, they are truly remarkable. The improved battery life of around 6 hours with noise cancellation on is good, though a little extra stamina even further would have been welcome since we actually got around 5.5 hours with spatial audio turned on as well. Between the smart Apple-friendly features, live translation if your iPhone is new enough, excellent spatial audio, and now heart rate tracking, these are excellent value, especially given that they're notably cheaper than most of the elite earbuds competition. This time around, you get 5 ear tips in the box, and Apple has also performed some wizardry with the shape of the driver housing, so they should slip right into your ear and stay there solidly. They did for multiple people on the TechRadar team at least, and we rate them as probably the best fit for people with small ears right now. Of course, the sound is crucial, and the AirPods Pro 3's sound is both zealous and attention-grabbing, bringing your music to your ears with style and even joy. You can expect an expansive, exuberant soundstage that allows bass registers ample space to rumble with regimented clout. Instruments hold texture through the mids, there's excellent musicality that makes you want to dance along, and there's total immersion, especially with head-tracked spatial audio turned on. And let me be clear, the impact of the music is thanks in no small part to the nearest to silent active noise cancellation performance we've experienced, right in line with the other elite option in this area, the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds 2nd generation. These are almost scarily good at sucking the noise out of your ears, but without the actual sucky wind tunnel nauseating effect you can sometimes get with similar levels of noise cancellation. We found that toggling on Apple's adaptive audio actually reduced the effectiveness. It felt just a touch laggy at picking up on low-level noise, but overall, this peace and quiet is well worth spending money on for your commute, as far as I'm concerned. For music neutrality and raw detail, the pure hi-fi versus fun debate, it's worth me pointing out that you'll get a little more accuracy in the sound from the Technics EAH AZ100, which can sometimes now be found for around the same price as AirPods Pro 3, but if you like your music to lean towards energy and vigorous impact, I find the AirPods Pro 3 to be basically as good as earbuds come right now. The one major new feature over previous AirPods here is the heart rate sensor. Simply by wearing them, an extra black little bar on the inside neck of the bud, plus the built-in movement sensors, can track 50 workout types with just AirPods Pro 3, i.e. no Apple Watch needed, to give you a heart rate reading as long as you're wearing at least one earbud. They should also be able to work with third-party apps for heart rate tracking, but depending on which one you use, you may need to wait longer for an update to add this. Still, even if your favorite app doesn't track it, Apple's Health app will. Having tested the heart rate sensing for various workouts, our verdict is that it can definitely add value to the earbuds. It's probably not going to be what makes or breaks your decision. Ultimately, AirPods Pro 3 are elite when it comes to noise cancellation, engaging sound, and a reliable fit. They are solid for battery life, they are amazing for features if you have an iPhone, and they are pretty mediocre for features if you're on Android. Importantly, they do all this for slightly cheaper than most of the competition, making them maybe the best value of the premium earbuds for Apple users. Thanks very much for watching, and if there is a pair of earbuds or headphones you'd like us to review, please let us know in the comments.